Withdrawing money from DoorDash to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your earnings are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your earnings. Tap on the Earnings tab located in the main menu. This section displays your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Look for the option to withdraw or transfer funds. This may be labeled as cash out or withdraw depending on the app version. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. You can typically choose between a standard bank transfer or an instant transfer, which may incur a fee. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.